Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do identities exercise 12A. Exercise 12A is on page number 158. We are doing question 9. Evaluate using the expansion of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. That means we're going to evaluate this by using this expansion. That means we have to put this in the form of either this or this. So we're going to write 208 as the sum of two numbers like this. So how can we make it simpler and write? We can say 200 plus 8. 200 plus 8 is 208, isn't it? So this has now become 200 plus 8 the whole square. So this is now in the form of a plus b. So a plus b the whole square. So in this case, a is 200 and b is 8. So now let's use the formula for a plus b the whole square. And the formula is this: a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a plus b will be 200 plus 8 the whole square. This is a square, and what is 8? 200. Square of that plus b is 8. Square of that plus 2 into a plus b. 2 into a is 200 and b is a into b. Okay, into 8. So now we have expanded. Now let's find the answer. 200 square. So 2 square, 2 2s are 4. So write 4. 400 square will be 2 zeros plus 2 zeros square, isn't it? So you multiply it twice. Plus 8 square. 8 8s are 64. Plus 2 into 200 into 8. 2 into 200 is 400. 400 into 8. So this we know, 8 zeros, 8 fours are 32. So 3200. Now all we have to do is add up all these. So we have 40,000 plus 64 plus 3200. We just have to add up all these. So here it is 4, 6, 2, 3 and 4. So 43,264. 43,264 is the square of 208. Square of 208 is 43,264. So when you get a question like this, first thing you need to do is put that number as the sum of two other numbers. And then find the square. So this time it becomes easier, especially when you have smaller, simpler numbers. Question 2. Now 92, put it as a sum of two numbers. So that becomes 90 plus 2. We can make it easier. 90 plus 2 the whole square. And now we can use the formula a plus b the whole square. You can write it as a sum of two numbers, or you can even write it as a difference. Now 92 can be 100 minus 8. Isn't it? 100 minus 8 will give you 92. You can put it that way and use the formula for a minus b the whole square also. So here we're going to use the formula for a plus b the whole square. That means this is a and this is b. So let's write out. A is 90 and b is 2. So now we're going to find a plus b the whole square. That means 90 plus 2, the whole square will be a square. That means 90 square plus b square. B is 2, so 2 square plus 2ab. 2 into a, which is 90, into b, which is 2. Now let's simplify this. 90 square. First do 9 square. 9 nines are 81. And this 1 0, when you double it, you get 2 zeros. Plus 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Plus, now 2 into 90 into 2. You can do it this way also by rearrangement. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 90. 4 nines are 36. Add a 0. Now all we have to do is add up these. So 8,100 plus 4 plus 360. So let's add this up. 4, 6, 4 and 8. 8,464 is the square of 92. Question 3. Now here we have 9.4 the whole square. Now how can we put 9.4 as the sum of two numbers? It will be 9 plus 0.4. 9 plus 0.4 the whole square. Okay, now this is In this, a will be 9 and b will be 0.4. So now let's use the formula. A square plus b square. That means here it will be 9 plus 0.4. The whole square will be a square, and a is 9. 9 square plus b square. B is 0.4 plus 2ab. So that will be 2 into a, which is 9, into b, which is 0.4. So 9 squared, 9 nines are 81, plus 0.4 squared, that will be 0.4 into 0.4. When we multiply decimals, we ignore the point and multiply. So it becomes 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. And then look at the decimal places. Here we have 1. Here also we have 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer also should have 2 decimal places. That means the point comes here. So it becomes 0.16. So this is 0.16 plus. Now here we are going to multiply. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 into 0.4. So how do we do that? 18 into 0.4 will be 18 into 4. 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, 72. Now in the question there is one decimal place. Your answer also should have one decimal place. It becomes 7.2. Now we have to add up all these. So let's add it up. So 81 plus 0.16. So 0.16. Remember, the point comes after the whole number. Then 7.2. So when you add up whole numbers or subtract whole numbers, make them all like decimals. When you subtract decimal numbers or add decimal numbers, make them all like decimals. Now do your addition. 6, 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8. 88.36. So this is 88.36 and this is the square of 9.4. Next one. Here we have 20.7 the whole square. We can write this as the sum of two numbers, and that is 20 plus 0.7 the whole square. So here a will be 20 and b will be 0.7. Now let's use this formula. A plus b the whole square. So here a plus b the whole square is 20 plus 0.7 the whole square. So now a square is 20 square, b square is 0.7 square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 20 and b is 0.7. So now let's work this out. 20 square, 2 square is 4, there's 1 0, double it, 400 plus 0.7 the whole square. So 0.7 whole square means 0.7 into 0.7. Ignore the point, it becomes 7 into 7 and the answer is 49. Now in the question there is one decimal place plus 1, 2. So your answer also should have two decimal places after the point. So your answer here is 0.49. Let's write it down here. 0.49 plus, let's multiply 2 into 20. 2 into 20 is 40. 40 into 0.7, that is 40 into 0.7 will be 40 into 7 when you ignore the point, and this is 7 fours are 28 and add a 0. Now look at the question, you have one decimal place. Here also you must have one decimal place. So that is 28.0 or it is simply 28. Now let's add up all these. So that will be 400 plus 0.49 plus 28. Now let's make them all like decimals. So put your point, 2 zeros there, 2 zeros here. Now let's add it up. 9, 4, and then 8, 2, and 4. So what do we have here? 428.49, and this is the square of 20.7. So this is our answer. Question 10, expand. 2a plus b the whole cube. So here we are finding the cube of a binomial 2a plus b. Now there is a formula. A plus b the whole cubed is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or there's another formula which says a plus b the whole cube will be a cubed plus b cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So whichever formula you're using, all you have to do is substitute for a and b. So here what is a? A will be 2a and b will be b itself. So let's write that a is the first term, that is 2a, and b is the second term, which is b. So here I'm using this formula here. So let's do the first one here, 2a plus b the whole cubed. So this will be a cube, that is a is 2a, the cube of this plus b is b itself, b cubed, plus 3ab means into a into b, into a plus b. A plus b is 2a plus b. So since I'm using only this formula, I'm going to remove this formula. So that there's no confusion. Now let's work this out, simplify this. So here we are having 2a the whole cubed. So 2a the whole cubed means 2a into 2a into 2a. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. A into a into a is 8a cubed. So let's write that 8a cube plus b cube will remain as it is, b cube plus, now we have to work this one out. So 3 twos are 6. There is no other number, so the number here is 6. Now a into b is ab. Now here this remains 2a plus b will remain as 2a plus b because they are unlike terms. You cannot add them. So in the next step, we'll write this as it is, 8a cubed plus b cubed plus. Now we need to work this out. So here we have 6ab and then here we have a bracket and no sign here. If there's a bracket and no sign, it's understood that it is multiplication, isn't it? So we have to multiply 6ab first into 2a and then 6ab into b. So let's multiply 6ab into 2a. Multiply the numbers. So here we have 6ab into 2a. When you multiply the numbers, 6 twos are 12. A into a is a square and b. So let me write that 12a square b. Now we're going to multiply 6ab into b. That is 6ab into b. The number is 6. There's only one a. B into b is b square. So this becomes 6ab square. So let's write that plus 6ab square. Now there are no like terms. So this is our final answer. Okay. So the final answer is 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now even if you use the other formula, it's easy. You just have to substitute. Wherever you have a, you must put 2a. Wherever you have b, you have to put b itself. Question 2. Again here also we have a binomial raised to the power of 3. The whole cube. So we're going to use this formula. And here in this case a will be a itself and b will be 2b. So let's write that. So a is a and b is 2b, the second term. So here let's write that. So that will be a minus 2b, the whole cubed will be a cubed and that is a itself, minus b cubed is 2b. 2b the whole cubed minus 3 into a, and a is a itself, and into b which is 2b, into a minus b, and a is a and b is 2b. So this is how it is. Now we're going to start working out. So here a cube will remain as a cubed minus 2b cubed, that is 2b into 2b into 2b. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, so that will be 8b cubed. So let's write that. So that will be 8b cubed minus, now we have to work this whole thing. So here the numbers are 3 and 2. 3 twos are 6 and a into b is ab. And in brackets we have a minus 2b, that those are unlike terms, so we can't do anything. So we're going to leave it as it is. Now we're going to continue here. So this will be a cube minus 8b cubed minus. Now we're going to multiply this into a first. So that will be 6 as it is. A into a is a square and b. Now we finish multiplying with a, we're going to multiply the same thing with 2b. So we have minus into minus 2b. So minus into minus is plus, 6 2s are 12, a is only 1 and b into b is b square. So what do we have here? We have a cube minus 8b square minus 6a square b plus 12ab square, which is our answer. Next is again a subtraction binomial here, which is raised to the power of 3. So for subtraction, the formula is this. And here what is A? A is 3x. And what is B? B is 2y. So let's write it down. So A is 3x and B is 2y. So here 3x minus 2y the whole cube is the same as a minus b the whole cube. So here we are going to write a cubed, and a cubed is how much? A is 3x and the cube of this minus b cubed, and b is 2y, the cube of this minus 3 into a, and a is 3x, into b, and b is 2y, and in the brackets a minus b, a is 3x minus b is 2y. So we've got this. Now let's work this out. So the first one here, 3x to the power of 3 will be 3x into 3x into 3x. Now first the numbers, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then x into x into x is x to the power of 3. So let's write that 27x to the power of 3 minus, now here we have 2y the whole raised to the power of 3. So let's work this out. So that will be 2y into 2y into 2y. Now let's multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we have 8, and y into y into y is y cubed. So this will be 8y cubed. Now we're going to work this. So here we have a minus sign. So let's put that minus sign. Multiply the numbers. So here we have 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. We have 18 and we have 1x and 1y. And in brackets we have 3x minus 2y. So in the next step, we write 27x to the power of 3 as it is minus 8y to the power of 3 as it is. Now we are going to multiply this into 3x. So the sign is minus. 18 into 3 is 54. X into x is x square, and then we have a y. We finish multiplying with this. Let's multiply minus 18xy with minus 2y. Minus into minus is plus. 18 2s are 36. There's only one x and there are two y, so y square. So what is the final answer? 27x cubed minus 8y cubed minus 54x square y plus 36xy square. The fourth one here, this time it's a positive one. So the binomial is x plus 5y and the whole thing is raised to the power of 3. So the formula is this. So in this case, what is a? A will be x. A is the first term x and b is the second term, which is 5y. So x plus 5y, the whole cube, is equal to, now according to this, this is a cube. So a is x, x to the power of 3. So x to the power of 3 plus, now b cube, and b is 5y. So that will be 5y raised to the power of 3 plus 3 into a. 3ab means 3 into a, and a is x, into b, and b is 5y, into a plus b. A is x and b is 5y. So now let's work this out. X cube will be as it is. Then here we have 5y raised to the power of 3. Let's work this out. So that will be 5y into 5y into 5y. So here let's multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. And we have 1, 2, 3y. So y to the power of 3. So let's write that here, plus 125 y to the power of 3. Then we're going to do this part. This is the next part that we are going to do. So here let's multiply the numbers. 3 5s are 15. So the sign is plus 15. X into y is xy. In brackets we have x plus 5y, which we can't simplify further because they are unlike terms. So let's write x cube plus 125y cube as it is, plus, now here we have to multiply 15xy into x. So 15, the number is the same. There are two x there, so x into x is x square y. Now we finished multiplying with this. We are going to multiply now 15xy with 5y. The sign is plus. 15 5s are 75. This 1x and 2y, so y square. So final answer is x cube plus 125y cube plus 15x square y plus 75xy square. Fifth one, here we have a plus 1 by a. So in this case, a will be just a and b will be 1 by a. Now let's use this formula. So here a plus b the whole cube is actually a plus 1 by a the whole cube. And we are going to use the same formula, which is a cubed, and a is just a itself, so that will be a cubed plus b cubed, and b as we can see is 1 by a. So let's write that. So that is 1 by a the whole cube. So this whole thing is raised to the power of 3. Then we go on to the next part, 3ab. So 3 into a into b, which is 1 by a, and in brackets a plus b. A plus b is a plus 1 by a. So let's work this out. So a cubed will remain as it is, plus 1 by a the whole cube is 1 by a into 1 by a into 1 by a. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. A into a into a is a to the power of 3. So let's write 1 by a to the power of 3 plus. Now here we have 3 into a into 1 by a. We can cancel this. So here we just have 3 into a plus 1 by a. So let's work this out. So this is a to the power of 3 plus 1 by a to the power of 3. Now we multiply 3 into the first one, that is 3a plus 3a, plus now we multiply 3 into 1 by a. So 3 into 1 by a, 3 into 1 by a, 3 into 1 is 3 by a. So here we get 3 by a. So what is the final answer? A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3a plus 3 by a. Next one, now here also we have a binomial. So let's take the first term to be a, that is 2a, and the second term to be b, which is 1 by 2a, and this is subtraction. So the formula is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So everywhere it is subtraction. So that's not difficult to remember. 2a minus 1 by 2a the whole cube. This is equal to a cube, and a is 2a and b is 1 by 2a. Remember that. So a cubed is 2a the whole cubed minus b cubed. B is 1 by 2a, and the cube of this 1 by 2a the whole cube minus 3 into a, which is 2a, into b, which is 1 by 2a, and in brackets a minus b. A is 2a minus b is 1 by 2a. So here let's work this out. So here 2a cube means 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 to the power of 3. So let's write it 8 to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2a to the power of 3. So that is 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a into 1 by 2a. So here the numerator is 1, denominator 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8a cube. So this is 1 by 8a cube minus, so now we have to do this. So that is 3 into 2a into 2a. Now we can cancel 2a and 2a. So what do we have? We just have minus 3, and in brackets 2a minus 1 by 2a. Now we're going to simplify this. 8 to the power of 3 minus 1 by 8 to the power of 3. Now here we're going to multiply minus 3 into 2a. That is minus 3 2s are 6a. Then let's continue. Let's multiply minus 3 into minus 1 by 2a. Let's do that. Minus 3 into minus 1 by 2a. Minus into minus is plus, 3 ones are 3 and 2a. So this becomes plus 3 by 2a. So this is our final answer, 8a cube minus 1 by 8a cube minus 6a plus 3 by 2a. Find the cube of this. So it's given this way. We are going to find the cube of this. So that is a plus 2, the whole cube. And here, just like the previous one, a will be the first term, a, and b will be the second term, which is 2. Now we're going to use the formula. So here the formula will be a cube, which is a already, and b cube, b is 2, 2 cube, plus 3 into a into b, which is 2, and in brackets a plus b. Now let's solve it. A cubed, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8, plus here we have to multiply. We can multiply 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6a, and in brackets we have a plus 2. So this is a cube plus 8 plus, now we're going to multiply 6a first with a. The number is 6a into a is a square. Now we finish multiplying with this. Let's multiply 6a with 2. So that will be plus, and 6 into 2 is 12, and we have only one a, so that is the answer. So here we have a cube plus 8 plus 6a square plus 12a. We can rewrite our answer in the descending order of the powers. That is, we can start by saying a cube, then we can put 6a square plus 12a plus 8. So here can you see the powers are in descending order. We have 3, 2 and 1. So this can be your final answer. Question 2. Find the cube of 2a minus 1. So here we'll rewrite the question as 2a minus 1. We have to find the cube of this. A is 2a and b is 1. So now the formula a minus b. Okay, so this time a cube. A is 2a, the whole cube, minus b is 1, 1 cube, minus 3 into a, 2a, into b, 1, and in brackets a minus b. So we have substituted. So here 2a cubed is 2a into 2a into 2a. So here 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and a cubed. So this is 8a cubed minus 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1 itself. Now here we can multiply. So here we have minus 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So we continue to write 6a, and in brackets we have 2a minus 1. So this will be 8a cube minus 1 minus, now here we're going to multiply minus 6a into 2a. So the sign is minus, 6 2s are 12, a into a is a square. So now that we have finished with this, we're going to multiply minus 6a into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 6a into 1 is 6a. Now let's write this in the decreasing order of the value of their powers. So 8a cube minus 12a square plus 6a minus 1. So this will be our final answer. Next one, again here we have 2a plus 3b the whole cube. Let's write that 2a plus 3b the whole cube. So here a is 2a and b is 3b. So let's use the formula a plus b the whole cube. This is the formula a cubed and a is 2a. 2a cubed plus b is 3b. b cubed plus 3ab. 3 into a, that is 2a, into b, that is 3b, and in brackets a plus b. A is 2a and b is 3b. Let's simplify this. 2a cube, now we know 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8a cube plus 3b cube is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27b cube plus, now here let's work this out. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 and the letters are A and B. So we have into AB. In brackets we have 2A plus 3B. So this will be 8A cube plus 27B cube plus. Now here we have to multiply 8AB into 2A, 18AB into 2A. 18 twos are 36. A into A is A square B. So that is done. Now we have to do 18AB into plus 3B. So it's plus 18 threes are 54. AB into B is AB square. So this is our final answer. Let's rearrange it in the order is right, so we'll leave it at this. 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Next one. So here we are going to find the cube of this. So 3b minus 2a the whole cube. So in this a is 3b and b is 2a. So now let's find. So here a cube means 3b the whole cube minus b cube is 2a the whole cube minus 3 into a which is 3b into b which is 2a and in brackets a minus b. So this is 3b cube. So 3 cubed is 3 into 3 into 3 which is 27. B into b into b is b cube minus 2a raised to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 which is 8 and a cube minus, let's work on this. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So we have 18 a b and in brackets 3b minus 2a. So this will be 27b cube minus 8a cube. This will remain the same. Here we are going to multiply this into 3b. The sign is minus and 18 into 3 is 54. A, there's only one. B, there are two. So b square. So now let's go to the next thing. Minus 18ab into minus 2a. Minus into minus is plus. 18 twos are 36. A into A is A square and we have only one B. So we have our final answer here. Next one. So here again we have this. So let's write this 2x plus 1 by x the whole cube. So in this case A will be 2x and B will be 1 by x. So now let's use the formula. So according to this, a cube means 2x the whole cube plus b cube is 1 by x the whole raised to the power of 3 plus 3ab means 3 into a which is 2x into b which is 1 by x and in brackets we have a plus ba is 2x plus b is 1 by x. Now let's simplify. 2x cube, now you know 2 into 2 into 2 is 8x cube plus 1 by x cube means 1 by x into 1 by x into 1 by x. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 and this is x cube. So let's write that there. 1 by x cube. Now let's work on this. 3 into 2x into 1 by x. We can cancel the x. Now just multiply the numbers. 3 2s are 6. And in brackets 2x plus 1 by x. So this becomes 8x cube plus 1 by x cube. Then here we have 6 into 2x. So 6 2s are 12. So that is 12x. Then we have to multiply 6 with 1 by x. 6 into 1 is 6. And in the denominator we have x. And this is our final answer. Question 6. So let's write x minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. We have to find the cube of this. In this case a is x and b will be 1 by 2. So let's use the formula. So now a cubed means x cubed minus b cubed, b is 1 by 2 the whole cube minus 3ab, that means 3 into a which is x into b which is 1 by 2 into a minus b which is x minus 1 by 2. So now let's simplify x cube minus, now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is 1 by 8. Now let's work on this. Here there's nothing to cancel, so the sign is minus. The number here, 3 ones are 3 into x is 3x. In the denominator we have 2 and we multiply this by x minus 1 by 2. So here we can say x square, x cube, this is x cube minus 1 by 8 and here it is minus 3x by 2 into x. Let's write that 3x by 2 into x. So here we multiply the numerators. It becomes 3x square by 2. Sign is minus 3x square by 2. So that is the first multiplication that we did with this. Now that is over. We can multiply this with this. So that is 3x by 2 into 1 by 2. Multiply the numerators, 3x. Multiply the denominators, 2 2s are 4. Then the sign, here there's a minus sign, here also there's a sign, minus sign. Minus into minus is plus. And we write 3x by 4. So this is our final answer. With this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you.